Welcome to the best of the good life.
Elegant, inviting, and perfectly positioned to capture the spirit of the good life here at Encanterra. Perfectly perched on the 17th tee, this Alora model blends luxury and lifestyle with a private casita, open living areas, and a backyard made for sunset views.
With world-class amenities, Encanterra offers a lifestyle like none other in the East Valley. Here, resort living meets real life, surrounded by golf, pools, dining, and connection.
Every sunset, every round, and every gathering all begins here at Encanterra.